May mga bagay na pinapahalagahan.
"22 new HIV cases are diagnosed every day.
Mag-ingat.
Be safe. Subalit, may mga pagkakataon na tayo nagiging pabaya. There are 166 health offices and medical centers nationwide.
Magpasuri.
Get tested. May mga ahensya na handang tumulong sa iyo.
Public hospitals and satellite clinics of RITM provide free testing, medicines, seminars, and counseling.
Magpatulong.
Seek treatment.
Walang dahilan upang mawalan tayo ng pag-asa.
With proper treatment, one may continue to live a long and productive life even with HIV.
Magpatuloy. Continue to hope.
Sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa mundo, magpakatatag ka. Laban lang. Huwag matakot sa HIV. Maraming rason para magpakabuhay.
Maging tapat, harapin ang HIV.
Got holes in your jeans and a few in your heart. You don't know what it means to me to watch you fall apart. 'Cause you're broken and bruised, but I can hold